Today, we're taking a look at the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. A big thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video, but as always, we're giving you our genuine opinion. If you're interested, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Now let's get unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the vacuum, self-emptying station, and an extra vacuum bag, mopping module, power cord, and product literature. Setup is simple. Just snap the side brush in place, charge it up, and fill the water tank. Now let's get cleaning. After our first clean with the D10, we noticed it picked up a lot of pet hair, human hair, and common debris like crumbs, dirt, and fine dust. In my case, it even grabbed stickers and Play-Doh. Thanks, kids! The mop pad shows some discoloration from dirt buildup, so be sure to rinse it after each use. The roller brush looks good, but based on our experience with this design from Dreame, long hair tends to accumulate on both ends, so regular trimming is a must. The Dreame app, available for both iOS and Android, offers a feature-rich experience with a clean and intuitive interface. It supports full, room, or zone cleaning, along with adjustable suction power and mop wetness levels. The app also allows for multi-level mapping, supporting up to 3 maps at a time. You can set up no-go zones, no mop zones, and virtual walls on each map, giving you better control over where the vacuum cleans. Additionally, there's real-time accessory tracking, so you'll know when it's time to clean or replace components like filters and brushes. If you prefer a hands-off approach, you can schedule cleanings, so once it's set up, you'll never have to open the app again. There's even an option to manually drive the robot right from your phone. With over 100 robot vacuums tested, we're comparing the D10 to our baseline average. In terms of price, it's less than half the cost of the average robot vacuum, which might make you expect half the performance. But does that hold true? Looking at suction power, the D10 is only 1,300 pascals below average, which is still respectable. For airflow measured in CFM, which we measure in-house, it actually scores 2 points above average. Those are strong indicators of real-world performance, and in our carpet deep cleaning test, the D10 scored 90 out of 100, beating the average. Interestingly, though, it performed worse than the original D10, which is something to note. For noise levels, the D10 peaked at 79 decibels, technically louder than average, but not significantly so. Dreame advertises a 285-minute battery life, but since it has the same battery capacity as the original D10 while offering stronger suction power, we're curious how those numbers were calculated. In real-world use, battery performance will vary depending on settings, but it has more than enough capacity to clean most homes in one go. For its price and position in Dreame's lineup, not much is missing. Few robot vacuums at this price offer vacuuming, mopping, self-emptying, lidar navigation, multi-level mapping, zone cleaning, and customizable station controls. However, there are a couple of areas for improvement. First, obstacle avoidance could use refinement. While the D10 can detect larger objects like a leg or a camera and slow down accordingly, smaller objects still get the bump and run treatment rather than true avoidance. Second, the roller brush design could be improved to prevent hair tangles. Dreame's tri-cut brush or the cylindrical roller from the X50 Ultra would be great upgrades for future models. Overall, for its price, the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 delivers an impressive set of features and strong real-world performance. While it has some room for improvement, especially in obstacle avoidance and brush design, it remains a great choice for buyers looking for a premium cleaning experience without the premium price tag. So we're left with one question. Would you pick this over a higher-end model? Let me know below.